Ayaphokophela amazwi ovelwano ngokusweleka kweqala lomdlali weqonga uMam'Nandi Nyembe obhubhe ngoMgqibelo eneminyaka engama-75 ubudala. Umphanga wakhe uvela nje emva kwenyanga ezimbalwa ephakamise inxalabo yokunqongophala kwemali kwicandelo lezolonwabo. Njengenxalenye yokukhumbula eliqhawekazi, imibutho ngemibutho kuquka i-Forum for South Africa ihlaba ikhwelo kumphathiswa wezemidlalo ubugcisa kunye nenkcubeko uGayton McKenzie ukuba usukumele lo mba ngokumilisela imigaqo-nkqubo eqinisekisa imbuyekezo efanelekileyo kumagcisa. I-Fosa ikholelwa ekubeni eyona ndlela yokuhlonipha ilifa likamama uNyembe kukuqinisekisa ukuba akukho mdlali weqonga woMzantsi Afrika olibalekayo, ohlawulwa kancinci okanye ongavuzwa ngegalelo lakhe kwilifa lenkcubeko yesizwe.
This industry is hard, Shem. It's hard. And I feel sorry for the young ones.
Forum for South Africa mourns the passing of one of the greatest souls in South African storytelling, Nandi Nyembe, who has died at the age of 75. For decades, Nandi Nyembe graced our screens with her talent, her wisdom, and her ability to tell the stories of our people. She inspired generations, gave us hope, and carried the cultural spirit of South Africa through her roles. She was truly the soul of South African storytelling. While we celebrate her life and legacy, her passing highlights a painful reality. Unlike musicians who continue to receive royalties even after their death, actors and actresses in South Africa are left without the same recognition and financial security. Many of them give their lives to the craft but die without the dignity of sustained income, leaving their families with nothing. As I-Fosa, we call on the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture to urgently implement policies that will ensure actors and actresses receive royalties for their work, both during their lifetime and beyond, so their families may continue to benefit from their contributions to our cultural heritage. This is not just a financial matter. It is a matter of justice, respect, and dignity for those who have carried our stories, built our film and television industry, and shaped our national identity. The best way to honor the memory of Nandi Nyembe is to ensure that no South African actor or actress is ever forgotten or unrewarded for the role they played in shaping our democracy and our